Welcome to Day's Cookbook. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's see how to prepare chicken cutlet the Indian way. In a pressure cooker, take 200 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon grated ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a mix. Add half a glass water. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes, wash them thoroughly, cut it into pieces and place over this chicken. Now we have to cook it in high flame till the cooker gives 5 whistles. Once the pressure cooker cools down a bit, we can open and see. Peel the potatoes and keep them aside. Gently mash the chicken pieces with hands and keep them aside as well. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. I am using a cast iron skillet here, you can use a pan. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger and garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onion and saute. Adding half teaspoon salt also. Once the onion starts to turn brown, adding 3 green chilies chopped. Now add the chicken and the potato which we have prepared before. Give it a nice mix while mashing the potato. We don't have to powder the potato really well. Smaller pieces of potato will add a kind of texture to the cutlet. Turn the flame off and add about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix it. In a small bowl, crack 2 eggs and add a pinch of salt and stir well. In another bowl, take about 2 tablespoonfuls breadcrumbs. Next step is to take some chicken mixture and make patties out of it. Gently press it using your thumb until you get this shape. Dip it in the egg. Cover it with breadcrumbs. Once we are ready with all the cutlets, we have to freeze it for at least 15 minutes. Next step is to fry the cutlets in hot oil. Make sure you are doing this while the stove is set in medium flame. Flip it over and cook the cutlets until it is nice and brown. Chicken cutlets ready. It's crispy outside and very soft inside. Please like and subscribe for more recipes.